Let's talk about continuity, a basic topic, and class 12 topic. So I will talk about continuity when it function will be continuous. You can see that this is totally continuous function, and there are 3 points in when x equal to a or x equal approaching to left side from a and x approaching to right side from a, which is called rfx and which is called lfx. When three answer will be same, it mean to say the distance between 3 points in this point will be approaching to zero. This means that it is continuous. This means there are no gap between these 3 points, and it is totally continuous. And the height in this point will be same for three functions. It is a single function, but it is written in form of x approaching to a from left side and x approaching to a from right side equal to a. That means it is continuous. Thanks.